Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and to anyone who may be new here, glad you could join us. I hope you enjoy part 2 of my ceiling fan makeover, and just to kind of show you or remind you what I did in my last video, here are the parts of the ceiling fan that I painted last time. And with this being the first time I've ever done a voiceover on any of my videos, you guys have to tell me, what do you think? Now to get started, I'm going to take 2 of the blades and just paint them all black. Alright, perfect. Now that these have been painted, I'm going to set these aside to dry and work on the 3rd blade. I decided to keep going with the sunset theme that I've had for the other 2 blades. So I'm just going to go in with some black, dark blue, light blue, pink, and some white that you'll see me putting on the blade. Also decided just to add another shade of blue in there. I don't know the specific names to any of these colors I used. With this one, I decided to add some little clouds to our sunset just by taking some of the pink and lightly dabbing the brush. After doing this with the clouds, I didn't like it very much, so I changed it up and decided to add just some swirls and things to it, and I like this much better. And now I'm just doing the same thing, making some white and blue clouds. And with the white one on the bottom there, I really had to layer a lot of paint, just so you could see the swirls. Now after doing this, I decided to make a darker shade of pink by mixing some black and pink together, and just decided to fill in the gaps between all the swirls. And I did the same thing with all the other colors, just by mixing a little bit of it with some black. Now I just decided to go in with some other colors. I don't know if you'd call this highlighting it, or I don't know, but I just decided to go in on the white clouds with some pink, added some white to the bottom of the pink clouds, and added some pink to the bottom of the blue clouds. Now what I'm doing here is I'm adding just strings of lights, and I actually got this inspiration from another channel, which I'll show you here in just a moment. this is the channel where I got the inspiration from. I decided to try out these paint markers for the lights or the light bulbs, and I kind of wish I'd actually gone through and done it just in making the strings, the other parts of the lights, because I think it would have made it a lot thinner, but that's alright, it still looks really good. And now just adding some stars and a moon. And these were really fun to use. It made it really easy to make those little itty bitty stars. And now that we're all done with this blade, we're going to go back to the other two that I painted black. And I'm just going to take colors that I used for all the other blades and just kind of flick it and sprinkle it onto these blades. And doing this part was really fun, but I didn't realize till afterwards how much of a mess it made. It actually ended up getting on a lot of other stuff that was not covered by the paper. Alright, all done. What do you guys think of the last few blades? Also, if you ever decide to paint your ceiling fan, put the pieces, all the pieces, in a safe place and remember where you put them, because I didn't do this. And now I have to search for this piece to put the last blade up. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe.